To add new employees in Visp, go to the menu. Click on Users. To search a specific user, type the name, username, or IP address on the search field. You can filter to see all users or switch between active and inactive users. You can set the user as active or inactive by setting the toggle here. To edit a user's profile, review their permissions and rights, or check the logs of changes made in the software, hover and click on the vertical ellipses or the three dots here. To add a new user, click here. Enter a name and username for the account. The username field accepts only lowercase letters, numbers, and dots. Password should be a minimum of 8 characters long. The longer the better. Use a mixture of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. For increased security, you can also use the commonly accepted symbols. Enter a phone number and email. You can toggle this option to set the user as a technician. You can assign tickets to a technician or make them followers of an existing ticket. If you want this user to be a live support technician, toggle this option. These types of technicians provide technical support to customers using the built-in CRM features in Visp. If you are using a multi-brand account and you have other ISVs you want the user to have access to, select those ISVs from this drop-down. Save your work when done. Here you can restrict users by IP address. You can set the IP range using the Global Application Security settings, which you will find in the menu, the General tab, and then click on Security. Now let's go back. In the Rights tab, you can toggle or enable the permissions to certain features or actions for a specific user. To grant users access to the menu items, you can enable the Edit ISP Information permission under Settings. You can set the user as an application administrator to grant access and permission to add or edit existing user rights. Save your work after making changes. In the Logs tab, you can filter and search historical data and high-level activities such as the changes to the application settings or features made by a specific user. When you're done reviewing the logs, close the panel. If you have other questions about this and all other features in Visp, reach out to your VISP Client Success Team today.